Spa Pros here with a leaking jet air venturi that caused damage to the pump of this LifeSpas hot tub in Malibu. Our Spa Pros technician arrived equipped with the necessary parts and completed the repairs right away. Here's the pump installed up to code and dry. That's a system we installed previously. Now that the job is complete, please take a deep breath and enjoy this beach view with us. Centrally located in the San Fernando Valley, call us if you need help with your hot tub. Misty with Spa Pros.